Hello and welcome back. Today I want to take a look at this battery box that I've had out in the field for about 4 or 5 months. It's made by HME, Hunting Made Easy. It's got a lead acid battery in it. And like I said, it's been out there for about 4 or 5 months. And so I was going to bring it in now and take a look at it and see how much power it's got in it. You can kind of see that even though it's sealed pretty well, it's got this nice little seal in it here that looks like probably ants or something have been inside of it. Got some dirt inside of it, so didn't completely keep things out of it, but it looks like it's all nice and dry. I don't see any water anywhere. It's also got this solar panel in here that I really didn't use. You can even see it's got the plastic on it. I didn't even take it off. Had it out there for, like I said, 4 or 5 months, running on a Browning trail camera. So I was going to just take a look and see how much power it's got in it now that it's been out there. See how many volts it's got. So if we put the red here and get the negative, oh, it fell off there. There's the negative and the positive one there. We've got 12.4 volts left in it. So it's probably around, I don't know, 60%, maybe between 50 and 60% still in it after being out there for, you know, a third of the year at least. So that's not bad. Maybe even almost half of the year. Like I said, it was about 4 or 5 months. So now that I've got it back here, I'm going to charge it back up and take it back out in the field. I just wanted to see how it did, take a look inside of it. Like I said, it looks like maybe some ants got in it, but that's about it. Otherwise, it's nice and dry. The cable is all in good shape, so no critters got to the cable. One thing I don't like about the cable end on this is it's really, really big, though, and so it's kind of hard to stick up in my specific camera cases. I've got cases on those trees to keep bears out of them, security cases on them, and this just barely fits underneath it into the camera. Otherwise, I've been pretty happy with it. Looks like it's doing okay. I'm going to fill it back up, and we will take it back out and plug it back out in one of the trail cameras again when I head out there next time. So I just wanted to show that to you real quick, give you a kind of an overview of how it's been going since it's been out there. I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video. Give me some comments on what you think about these battery cases if you got one. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'd love to have you, and we will see you guys on the next one.